I'm from PSIF 23F. My NPM 2331237. And here I want to explain about definition and components of a computer system. Jadi di sini saya akan menjelaskan tentang definisi dan komponen-komponen yang ada di komputer. First, what is computer? What is computer? Computer is a tool for humans, and with a system that receives input in the form of data, processing the input and produce output in the form in information. Jadi, komputer itu adalah alat bantu bagi manusia dengan sistem kerja menerima input, mengolah input, dan menghasilkan output yang keluar sebagai informasi. Next, computer system. A computer system is an electronic network consisting of software and hardware that performs certain tasks as receiving input, processing input, conveying commands, and providing output in the form of information. Jadi, komputer sistem itu adalah jaringan elektronik yang berupa software dan hardware. Dan itu melakukan tugas tertentu seperti menerima input, mengolah input, dan menyimpan perintah serta lain-lain. Next, other meanings. A set of components that are interconnected with each other so as to enable these components to interact with each other to carry out tasks that have been instructed by the user of brainware. Jadi, pengertian lain dari komputer adalah sekumpulan komponen yang saling berhubungan dan berinteraksi satu sama lain untuk menjalankan tugasnya masing-masing. And then, basic function of computer system. Fungsi dasar dari sistem komputer itu ada input that is keyboard, mouse, scanner, or others. And then there is output like as scanner and speaker, printers, monitor, and others. And there's also in basic function of computer system is data processing. Data processing is a function where the computer actually does its job, namely manipulating and controlling data from the entire system. Jadi data processing itu adalah dia yang berfungsi untuk memanipulatif atau mengendalikan data keseluruhan. And then terakhir, store is hard drives or external strong drives. Jadi ini adalah memori penyimpan strong itu. And next, main components in a computer system. And here ada komponen sistem komputer, yaitu like as hardware, software, brainware, and system operasi application. Next, the following are the hardware components. Sini ada components hardware like as central processing unit or CPU, and stored media or memory, input device or input equipment, that is peralatan input, output device or output equipment, that is peralatan output, and communication device or communication equipment, that is peralatan komunikasi. Next, CPU. CPU or Central Processing Unit, that is the brain of source of the computer which organizes and process all computer work. CPU function run programs stored in a main memory. Jadi CPU ini adalah otak dari komputer. Otak dari komputer yang berfungsi untuk menjalankan semua program-program yang ada di dalamnya. Next, CPU components, that is control unit or CU, is one part of the CPU whose job is to provide direction or control over operation carried out in the ALU section. The responsibility of the control unit is to retrieve instructions from main memory and determine the type of instruction. And then arithmetical logical unit or ALU is a unit that is responsible for carrying out arithmetic operation and logical operations based on specified instruction. And then software. In software, there system software, rating system, and devices like as utility software, antivirus, firewall, device mentor, and others. And there's also application software, web browser, office software, games, and others. And then language program. Language, the language used by humans to communicate with computers. Jadi language program itu adalah bahasa pemrograman yang digunakan manusia untuk berkomunikasi dengan komputer. And here there is brainware. Brainware is defined as a person or intellectual device that uses as or operate a computer device. Jadi brainware itu adalah orang yang mengoperasikan perangkat komputer. Nah, sedangkan hardware that is perangkat keras like a CPU, scanner, mouse, and others. And software that is perangkat lunak like monitor and application in the monitor. Okay, and then maybe enough until here. If there wrong or false anything, I'm sorry, and then I say thank you very much for watching. Thus I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.